Hello. So I'm going to start on figure 1-19 on page 32. So I'm going back into, I got logged out. Give me a second here. I'll pause this. Okay, I'm back. So we're going to do figure 119 on page 32. So to go to page 32 on the Mind tab screen, click on Search This Course, HTML 32. Go directly to page 32. I'm going to make that bigger. So here's the book, and here's the Mind tab section. And I can't really make the book any bigger, which you'll need start looking at wider stuff. So what I do is just kind of looking for page 32. The top of the page looks like it has 1-11, linking an HTML document to a style sheet. So I'm going to close that out. Go back to the Mind tab portion of this, the bigger screen, and the next page. This is what I'm looking for in the top. And then figure 119 is what the assignment is. Okay, so I'm going to just adjust my screen, rearrange my screens for my working area. So I'm going to click that button, move it over a little bit, click on the VS Code. And again, I'm just getting things situated so I can, my work area. Okay. So in this section right here, we're going to be linking style sheets, and we don't actually have any style sheets created, again, because we didn't do any downloads, but I just want you to kind of get an idea of what it is and the practice of it. The point of this assignment is not to produce anything that's going to work exactly, but I just want you to get used to the elements and the tags and what they are and where they go. So this right here, if you look closely, you can see that it has a closing head. And remember, an HTML page is made up of two parts, the head, and the body. Okay. So it's got a closing head. It's got a closing head with the content right above it. So this is what we're going to do. It's got a closing head, it's got two link sheets, and then it's got the title. We have the title right here. And yes. So we're going to go ahead and type, and I want to pause it because you don't need to watch me type. Maybe. Okay, I'm back. I got this all typed. What did I do? I got this all typed. So, and you can see in the chapter, it tells you what exactly these link elements are. It's going to refer to a style sheet, which we'll get into more when it comes to CSS, when we start talking about CSS. And then the name of the style sheet, and then the fact it's a style sheet, that's the relationship. The meta chart set, it talks about UTF, that's kind of I think it's Unicode stuff. Meta name keywords, that's kind of that relates to SEO. And then the title about curbside time. And you can see that I have that here in between the two heads. Let's see. And I have my word wrap on, so that's why this line starts here. And you can see that it's still line 6 because line 6 has a space before line 7. This is still considered line 6. Let's see. So about curbside, we got all of that in here. So let's go ahead and save it. Control S. Go back to our browser. Hit refresh. And you don't see anything here because we did not do anything to the actual body. this over. Okay. This content right here is the body. This is the body. And in this assignment, in this part of the assignment, we did not do anything to the actual body. The only thing that we changed was the head. And you can see that the title, the content in between the title tags matches the tab. So if we take that out, we just take that about me, for example, and save it and refresh, it becomes about me. That's not what it's about. And refresh, about curbside. So that's how you do this portion of the exercise, and this is the effect that you should see. The only effect that you should really see on the tab itself, on the web browser preview, is that the tab's name being changed.